Okay, sa lahat ng mga tao dyan na naubusan na ng face mask sa pharmacy and sa store dahil sa COVID, then all you have to do is just look around and look for a nice material in your closet. Meron tayong mga pillowcases or your undershirt, just cut it off and then made it into face mask. You can use that one in our house, you know, in our home, na may mga ubo-ubo tayo to protect our kids and ourselves from any of the bugs. So, ayan siya. My face masks. So I have 3 of this. So these are the 3 fabric that I made. These are the example. Cut it 6 by 9. You made an insert, and when you cut 6 by 9, you need to have an extra 1 inch or 1/2 inch. So that makes it 6.5 or 9.5 inch. Or if you want 1 inch allowance for your seam, that makes it 7 by 10 inches. So this is our insert. Insert is the one that filters the micron, guys. The micron filters is the insert. So I use flannel for this. So I think we can make 12 out of this little flannel side again. In front together, plus this insert for our micron filters. So that looks like that. Okay. So I have 4 here. morning, and I am so proud to present to you my 4 face masks. Well guys, I cannot find any face mask at a store, so what I did is I make my own face masks. So I Google the sizes, and then it's very simple. So I made 4 of them. This is not 100% protect you from any micron, guys, but the thing is, it will protect your family at home. If one of you is coughing and the other is coughing too, so all you have to do is to make your own face mask and protect yourself and do a social distancing. At least guys, maybe this protects you 70%, so it's good, you know, and you're just at home, protect your family. So yes, face mask mga kaibigan. Finally made 4 of the face mask. So I made this in 30 minutes. So why 30 minutes? Well, I cut this in batches. So I cut 4 pieces of this side, 4 pieces in the color, and 4 pieces of our insert, and then cut all at once, iron all at once, sew all at once, and attach the elastic all 4 of this one. So I made this in 30 minutes. Look at that, isn't it pretty?